I really love wild orchids. Ito nahanapan ko doon sa coffee na tinitrim ko. So, di ba nagtitrim ako ng coffee? Meron pang isa doon. Hindi ko pa nakuha. I'll be getting it later. And, ang ganda ng flowers ng ganito. It's a wild orchid, see? Sorry, bawal ibenta. Just for your eyes only. Pag dumami, saka ako magbibigay. Few pa lang eh. At saka bawal ibenta, di ba? May isusu tayo ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Kasi we have to preserve this kind of plants. Yan. So we also have another kind of orchid there. I'll show you. So this is another kind of orchid. Ang flower nito is maliliit dito sa dulo and it's very nice. So tumubo dito sa aming Nara tree. So this is the Nara tree. Tumubo siya and there is another kind of orchid there up. Ayan. Talaga dumadami sila. And I really find very nice. I really love this. Yan, bawal putulin ang Nara. Madidimanda tayo.